Hello guys, this is the last video and it's just a shout out video to let you know how thankful I am for the year that we just went through with you guys. You guys did an excellent job overall, and I have a message for each student, and hopefully after you listen to this video you can do posts here. Just post whatever, okay? Say goodbye to the students. You can do any school friendly comments, and just to have fun in the post, and hopefully I will see you all next year. Now I have my list down here. We're gonna go in list order. First of all, Amel, thanks to you and Paula, I haven't been able to take out the Taco Tuesdays out of my head for some reason. Every time I see tacos, I think Taco Tuesday. So thank you for messing me up. No, just joking. Excellent students, excellent grades, very educated, very good work ethic. I just really enjoy teaching you. Say hi to your brother for me. Also another excellent student. Victoria. Ay, profe, no. That's I love teaching you. Okay, you're always fun, very smart, very hard worker. I think our humor is very alike. I just had a great time teaching you, really, and I do hope to see you next year. Excellent grades, excellent jobs. Very few problems this year as far as conduct, cell phones. Just let's improve for next year. But excellent job this year. Excellent job, Daniela. You will always be my teacher's assistant, teaching helper, student helper. There will never ever be everybody that has that title except you, I think. I remember, I think in 7th grade, you wanted to be my student helper. And I told you, my student helper needs to be very good at grades and everything. And, you did you try so hard. Daniela, that's one of the things I really like about you. You do not give up. That's good. Okay, you try, and you try so much. At the end, you succeed. The grades, and I told you this was going to happen. The grades started off not very good, but I told you, keep on working. You'll see, keep on working. And I think the grades did improve drastically. A very good job, Daniela. I really enjoy teaching you just because of that fact that you never give up. You're always very happy and very positive. So just continue working the exact same way. Really enjoy teaching you. Bonilla, one of my favorite students, incredibly educated, incredible work ethic, very smart. You think outside the box. You are somewhat independent in that you want to go beyond what's taught in class. That's excellent. Very good job. I do expect to see multiple 100s next year, because in the take-home test, I know that you did not get 100s, but you did tell me, profe, if I did have access to you at school, it would have been at 100. And I do believe you. So, Bonilla, excellent job this year. I do hope to be your teacher next year. Love teaching you. Smart guy, funny guy. Awesome. Excellent conduct. Awesome. Do not change. See you next year, hopefully. Patricia. 5.2. No! 5.2. Excellent job. One of the very few students throughout all these years that have gotten a 100, straight 100 in one of my classes across the board. So excellent job. Excellent job. I do expect a lot from you next year again. You're an incredibly bright, smart student. And we might have some good news for those people that, work fast. But we'll get into that next year. But just, Patricia, I love teaching you. I love it when we have group calls and you have questions and you're very interested in the class. And remember, el gato tiene cuatro patas, only four. You work hard, you practice hard, you do well, then you relax. Don't overstress yourself. Bien. Excellent job. Have a great summer, Patricia. Hope to be your teacher next year. I really do. Sawen. I'm depressed. I'm very depressed. What happened to the PBL? I wanted to see your face printed on shirts and being sold across the world, man. Sawing. My God, we're gonna have to do that PBL project next year. We're gonna make you a brand or something. No, just overall, very good job. You're a very educated student. Maybe sometimes the grades were not what I wanted them to be, but again, good job overall. Good job. You can do better, but you did very well. So keep up the good job. Keep up the good work, and I will see you next year. And just thank you. Thank you. Estrada. We began at 100s, and I am not very happy with the grades, how they ended up. So I'm going to have a talk with you later on, and especially if I'm your teacher next year. I do want grades above 90. You're capable of 100s, as you did plenty of times. But then I think you're overconfident, and then we get some bad grades. Remember, if you get bad grades, the communists win. Can't have that. Need 90s or more, okay? Pero overall, funny jokes. We also have similar humor. We always have fun. You're a very fun student, very bright and smart student, but I think that maybe a little overconfident sometimes. Let's just work on that and just start 100s, 95s again. Okay? I want those 90s. But overall, thank you for the school year. It was a lot of fun. I will see you next year. Hopefully, I am your teacher. Juan Garcia. Incredibly smart, very, very fast thinker. Very good at math. I really enjoyed teaching you. Very educated, very smart, asked very good questions. I remember that you and Bonilla would sometimes go to the board and work on a very difficult or advanced problem that wasn't even necessary, just to see what happens. That is a very good attitude. So, just thank you for being that kind of student and just having fun in class, learning and wanting to know more. That's awesome. And also, say hello to your brother for me, one of my favorite students as well. Hey, Marcos. I think this is the shout out I enjoy the most, brah. Have a great summer. I had a great time. It has to be in the voice. I had a great time this year, brah. Good brain, good worker, relaxed attitude. Awesome job, brah. No, I really enjoyed this year. Again, a lot better than in 7th grade. There were more sleep and conduct issues. Again, I think you guys have matured and grown. Very good year, Marcos. And you're very worried about your grade this year. Very good job throughout the test, always doing the homework. So, good job, brah. I'll see you soon. See you next year. Take care. I will see you next year. Salim, first year I was able to teach you, and I was pleasantly surprised. Very good student, very good worker, good questions, very educated, paid attention. You helped your other student friends. So very good student overall. Incredible. I had a great time this year getting to know you and teaching you. So hopefully I will be your teacher next year, Salim. Keep up the good work. Regina, oh my God, one after the other. Just like Salim, it's the first year I got to teach you, and I enjoyed it. I really enjoyed it. You're very smart. You're very independent. You're very mature. You have good opinions and ideas, and you express them. You're open to criticism, and you listen, and I think you're an excellent student. I had a great time this year getting to know you and teach you, just like Salim. Sometimes I remember that you were telling just everybody else to shut up, get to work. That was very fun. Overall, excellent job this year. Excellent job. Hopefully I will be your teacher next year. Very good worker. Also like Estrada and some other folks, sense of humor. Um, I had a great time, doing some jokes, etc., with you. You're very quick, and you get most jokes, so very good, and no sarcasm there. It's honestly, I am being very honest. I had a great time this year. Very honest. Look at my face, honest face. No, I'm joking. Awesome job this year. Hopefully, I am your teacher next year. Excellent job. Molina, always in competition with Estrada and always and Jean Paul and the Three Musketeers. That's what I think of you guys when I think of you guys in my brain. It was impossible to keep you guys apart. Very good job. There were some slip-ups, but you picked up immediately and you ended up with 95s and 100s. Overall, excellent student. FRC member. Hopefully, I will see you guys next year, both in FRC and being your teacher. So Molina, excellent job this year. Excellent job. Pat yourself on the back. I will hopefully see you next year. Sofia Montalban. Sofia, excellent job. Very, very good grades. Very good worker. Always smiling. I don't like to compare people with their brothers or sisters, but just like your sister, always smiling. Very happy person. So just thank you for doing so well in class, asking so many questions, and overall being a great person. So Sofia, hopefully I will see you next year. Susana, again, remember one thing, guys, not my favorite students aren't always the best students. They are students who, I don't know, I just can't explain it. Susana, you're one of my favorite students, and I don't know why to explain it, but just overall very educated, a very positive person, very happy person. You're willing to work. Again, one of the things I've told all the teachers and many people, and I don't know why, I really enjoyed your BMX project. I don't think I'll ever forget it. I think it was your passion for the subject and how you investigated, and the story, your story. And I don't know, I just really enjoy teaching you, and sometimes you don't get things. That's totally fine. I mean, we're students, we're learning. Throughout summer, if you do need help with math, let me know. I'm willing to help you. Overall, I just really enjoy teaching you, just like your brother. Very educated, very happy person, and you're always smiling, always very positive. We do have, you slip, you fall, but we get back up, continue working, and that is priceless. Okay. And I really enjoy teaching you. So thank you for being my student, and I will see you next year. Hopefully, I really want to be your teacher next year. De verdad. Joking, I don't want to see you again. No, mentira. I do want to be your teacher next year. I had a great time teaching you, and it's always a joy to see you in class. Polly, just like Claudine, and just like Amel, thank you for messing up my tacos. Now I always think Taco Tuesday. Besides that, perfect or excellent near perfect grades, very hard worker, very educated. Thank you again, just like I told Claudine, thank you for taking your time to do something you were not asked to do, just to make things better for everybody. Thank you for caring. Again, in FRC, I also remember you painted the box, even though you didn't have to do that. So just thank you for being you, taking the time to do things and help others. And besides that, being an excellent, near perfect student. Again, grades across the board were excellent. So, and also from my end, thank you for doing the intro to the video. It was incredibly funny. I've showed that video to a whole bunch of people. Everybody has loved it. So take care, and I will see you next year, hopefully. Manuel Paulino. Fun fact, I do miss the fun facts. That's a fun fact. Fun fact, I miss the fun facts. It was a daily fun fact. Thank you. Some of the fun facts I knew, some of the fun facts I did not know. They were all interesting. And that's one of the good things about you, Paulino. You can find something and then you stick to it and you really stick to it. I mean, I remember it was a very, very, every day, profe, fun fact, fun fact, fun fact, fun fact. So that persistence will help you a lot in life. The grades were very good overall. There were some slip-ups, but you recognized mistakes. You recognized you needed to work more. You worked more, boom, 90, 100. So good job. Good job throughout the school year. I had a great time, very fun. It's always nice to see you in class and work with you. So thank you. Hopefully I will be your teacher next year. Paulino. Fun fact, I was joking. I don't want to be your teacher. Igual que le dije al otro estudiante, that was a joke. I do want to be your teacher. I'm doing a lot of bad jokes. I apologize, guys. Sebastian, huge improvement from 7th grade. Very big improvement over 7th grade. I think you grew up a lot. You were way more serious as far as your grade goes. Conduct-wise, it was way better than 7th grade, which is what is expected. But still, I wanna really say it. I mean, very good job. You behaved very well this year. Very few problems. You asked a ton of questions, and that's good. That means you're interested. You want to know more. So thank you for asking a lot of questions and for working very well. So I really think you did an excellent job this year, Peralta. Even though maybe the grade wasn't excellent, it was still very good, and you did an excellent job. So congratulations, Sebastian. Hopefully, I will see you next year. Isabela Ramirez, you were very worried about your grade. Sometimes you didn't do very well, but that wasn't what normally happened. Normally you did very, very well. So thank you for worrying about your grade and for working very hard. You smile a lot. You're very good to be around with, and in the school environment. So I had a great time teaching you, Isabela. And you also asked some questions, etc., worried about your grade in the class. So overall, excellent job. Hopefully, I will see you next year. Eduardo, I think in the first 2 or 3 days of class that I got to know you, we started talking about music, and we both came to the agreement that Sabaton is awesome. So from that day on, I said, "Este me cae bien." Okay, from the beginning. Very good job overall. Good worker, very fun. You started off excellent. I think that tú bajaste la guardia un poco después, and there were some slip-ups. But when we talked, you acknowledged the issue. You did work when you had to work. But if you are my student next year, I do want more work and more grades. But overall, Eduardo, I had an excellent time getting to know you, teaching you, and just hopefully I will see you next year. Take care, and over the summer, rock on. Okay. Isaura, just like Eduardo, first year I get to teach you, and what I told you in the beginning that was gonna happen happened, and you can tell yourself, you can ask yourself, and the answer will be, yeah, it happened. The beginning, you were not getting the grades that you wanted. But I saw how good you were working. And remember, I said, literally like in the first quarter, Isaura, tranquila. Just keep on doing what you're doing, and you'll see that the grades will improve. It is impossible for the grades not to improve when you're working as well as you're working. You're reading, you're doing your homework, you're worrying about classes, you're asking questions. You really worked hard this year. And I saw that hard work, and that's why I said it's impossible for the grades to stay the same. Just patience, they will go up, and they have gone up significantly. So excellent job, Isaura. Really. You were very educated, very positive. A little quiet, but that's fine. Not everybody has to, shout and go crazy. and you were very worried about your grades. So, and also, you came from a different school and you adapted very well, both I think socially and also academically. So, and that's not easy, by the way. Okay, that is not easy. So it was a lot of work this year, but you did an excellent job, and I really enjoyed teaching you. And again, I really, really hope I am your teacher next year, because I had a great time teaching you. Excellent student, very good job, and the grades did go up drastically at the end. You came in underperforming and you ended the school year overperforming. Almost excellent grades across the board. So very, very good job. Congratulations, Isaura, on your first SMS school year. Awesome job. Alvin, for some reason, I know you're gonna hate me for this. Every time I think about you in that small red car when they presented your class. No, over and also, okay, first of all, that and also your business instincts. You are persistent. You are educated. You are very smart. I think you're gonna do very well in life. Como lo digo, very good work this year, very good behavior. You were very patient. You were very funny, and you find a way to have people, smile and que le caigan bien. O sea, que very good job, Alvin. Thank you for working. I will try to not mention the red car anymore. I will try. I promise I will try. It's probably not going to happen. I might mention it again a couple of times before you graduate. So don't hate me for it. But overall, good year. Good year, Alvin. I will see you next year. Hopefully I get to teach you next year. Jean Paul, a lot better than 7th grade. At least I didn't see you playing Binding of Isaac during my class. No, overall, good. I had some issues with the grades at the end, which did not make me very happy. But overall, you pull through, you study, you get your good grades. Very few issues, and I had a great time. I had a great time teaching you. Hopefully, I will see you next year again as a fellow gamer. I want to see you next year. So take care, Jean Paul, and have a great summer. Alejandro, just like Regina, Salim, and Isaura, first year I got to teach you. Excellent. I remember one of the other projects I remember is the Fortnite project.